A few days ago, I shared the year-to-date performance ng aking stock investments. And may mga nagtatanong kung ano ba yung stock market? Paano ba ito nagwo-work? And of course, paano ba mag-invest at kumita dito? So in this 3-part video series, I'll answer these questions as simply as possible so that if you're a beginner or totally new sa stock investing, mabilis mo siyang maiintindihan. So let's start! What is stock market? The easiest way is to imagine it as a giant online store. Pero ang online store na ito, ang binibenta ay company shares or also known as stocks. That's why the term is stock market. The same goes with fish market, selling fish. Vegetable market, selling vegetables. You get the point. Pero tulad ng price ng fish or vegetable sa market, which the price changes every day, ganyan din ng stocks, tumataas at bumababa din ng presyo nila daily. Nangyayari ito due to the continuous change ng supply and demand. Now, if you're not familiar with the law of supply and demand, here's a quick summary of it. Kung ang isang product ay mataas ang demand at konti lang ang supply, meaning maraming gustong bumili pero ang hirap makabili, ang ending nito is tataas yung presyo ng product due to shortage. Ang sa kabaliktaran naman nito, kung maraming supply at walang bumibili, mababa yung demand. Ending naman is magiging mas mura yung presyo or bababa yung presyo due to surplus or oversupply. Ito yung dynamics behind kung bakit tumataas at bumababa ang mga presyo na ginagamit o kinoconsume natin daily. And the same thing affects the stock market.